Hello YouTube, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the hairstyle for thick hair women. So, number one is textured and tousled. This is recommended for square shaped face. Will be great for trying out this hairstyle. Nice short thick hair with natural waves will embrace this hairstyle amazingly. Number second is all natural. The hairstyle will look better on heart or oval shaped faces. The number third is elegantly editorial. Square shaped face are perfect to try out this hairstyle. The number four is a mohawked mane. A heart shaped face is best complement for a more mane. Super thick hair with natural waves will do great for this hairstyle. Just right ringlets. If you get a square shaped face, this hairstyle is made for you. The number six is the asymmetrical A-line. The hairstyle can be adopted by any face shape. The number seventh is the smooth out sweetheart. This haircut is best suited for oval shaped faces. This is a perfect solution to cope up with real bob or blunt hairstyle craving. The number 8 is the edgy asymmetrical. The girl with long and narrow face will find this hairstyle extremely exquisite. The number 9 is the ultra sassy pixie. The pixie hairstyle will be rocking for anyone with long and narrow shaped face. For further details about this article, click the link below and comment. And make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you down there.